Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm here to show you how you can use BandLab on iPhone. For that you have to download it from App Store. So as I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to show you. So on the search bar type BandLab and open it. This app, so on this app you can create your music and you can listen to it. So BandLab is all about making music. So I'm going to set my username here. You have to set a profile. So I'm going to set a username, and then next over here I'm going to choose #1fan. Okay, pick your favorite. I'm going to choose rock. Turn your notification on, and over here you can see everyone's music. So yeah, this is how you can use BandLab. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.